Hi there. If your energy is down, your workouts are feeling weaker, your recovery is slower, or your libido is not what it used to be, your testosterone may be part of the equation. Today I'm breaking down the top 5 herbal supplements that support testosterone levels, backed by scientific studies, for men over the age of 40, what the science actually says, and what you need to know before taking them. So let's get into it. Hi, I'm Terry. I'm 64 years old, and I help men aged 40 to 70 regain their strength, their health, and their wellness to live a better quality of life. Now, before we talk about TRT injections or extreme medical interventions, there are certain herbal compounds that have been studied for their ability to support healthy testosterone levels naturally. In this video, I'm going to list the top 5 herbal supplements that are proven to boost testosterone based on recent science-backed studies. Here's our medical disclaimer, and it's just important to note that your medical practitioner should always be consulted before beginning any new program that involves exercise, nutrition, wellness, or health. First, before I get started, I have to talk about an important disclaimer. And that is, you need to note that no herbal supplement can replace the following foundational lifestyle and wellness habits. And that is simply your sleep quality, proper nutrition, you should start a strength training program, and you need to manage and control your stress. These herbal compounds generally support testosterone optimization and overall well-being. However, they will never override your poor lifestyle habits. So number 1 is Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb used in Ayurvedic medicine for over 3,000 years. And the definition of an adaptogenic herb is it's a non-toxic plant that helps the body manage and adapt to and recover from physical, chemical, or emotional stress. It basically regulates and balances your mood. And this can result in increased energy, improved focus, and enhanced stamina. Ashwagandha's primary mechanism is not directly boosting testosterone, rather it lowers your cortisol levels. And since cortisol and testosterone have an inverse relationship, reducing stress can indirectly support your testosterone production. And this is what the research shows. A 2019 randomized controlled trial in men that were overweight showed significant increases in testosterone after 8 weeks of supplementation. Other trials in stressed or infertile men showed improvements in testosterone and sperm parameters. The average increase in T levels across studies tends to range in the 10 to 20% increase in certain populations. So what's the bottom line? The real value of ashwagandha? Basically, it's stress reduction and improved recovery. And it's best for men that are highly stressed and have poor sleep quality and who have been maybe overtraining and have elevated cortisol levels. That group of men will see the most benefits by using ashwagandha. The recommended dosage is 300 to 600 milligrams per day of standard root extract, for example, the KSM 66 variety. You take it in the morning for energy or evening to enhance sleep quality. If your T levels are exceptionally low, or if you're engaged in an intense strength training program, you can go up to as high as 1,000 milligrams per day. And what's common for supplementation with ashwagandha is cycling. So you can go on supplementation for 2 to 3 months and then take 1 month break and then go back on after that and see how that affects you. You want to monitor for side effects and your mood and make adjustments accordingly. Generally considered to be safe and well tolerated, ashwagandha does have potential side effects that may include nausea, vomiting, drowsiness, and headaches. So adjust the dosages when necessary, and that'll usually take care of that. Number 2 on the list is Shilajit. Shilajit is a mineral-rich resin found in the Himalayas and used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine. It contains fulvic acid and trace minerals that may support mitochondrial function. That's your cellular energy. And as well, hormone signaling. That's the process by which your hormones released in your bloodstream regulate various physiological functions such as your metabolism. A 2016 double-blind study in healthy men showed significant increases in total testosterone after 90 days of purified Shilajit supplementation. Another clinical trial demonstrated improvements in total and free testosterone in middle-aged men. The typical reported increases usually fall in the 15 to 20% range. It's important to note that only use purified Shilajit. Raw products can contain contaminants, so you need to check for purity when you purchase a supplement. Shilajit is best for men that are already starting with a lower baseline testosterone level and men focused on vitality and energy. Generally considered to be safe, but potential side effects may occur if you're not consuming the purified form. And these may include side effects such as headaches, dizziness, and allergic reactions. So check for purity and adjust dosages when necessary. Number 3 is Tongkat Ali. Tongkat Ali is a Southeast Asian botanical that's been traditionally used for male vitality for a long time. And the mechanism by which it's effective is that it reduces your SHBG, that's your sex hormone binding globulin. So by doing that, it may increase your free testosterone and lower cortisol levels. Several clinical trials show improvements in total and free testosterone, especially in men that are highly stressed or are starting with a low baseline testosterone level. A 2021 meta-analysis found significant improvements in testosterone levels in men with late onset hypogonadism. Some studies show increases ranging from 15 to 30%, with higher increases in men starting with lower testosterone levels. So, in summary, this supplement works best for men over the age of 40 with highly stressed lives and currently experiencing low free testosterone levels. Based on the available studies, Tongkat Ali is one of the more promising adaptogenic herbs for testosterone optimization. It's generally considered to be safe with the recommended dosages, but potential side effects may include insomnia, anxiety, irritability, and digestive issues. So when you experience any of these side effects, just adjust the dosages when necessary, and you should be okay going forward. Number 4 is Korean Red Ginseng. So Korean Red Ginseng, and that's the aged Panax ginseng root variety, is a natural traditional adaptogen. It's been used for centuries in traditional Asian medicine. So for men over 40, it supports energy levels, improves mental clarity, and enhances sexual function. It's not a direct testosterone booster. Instead, it improves your nitric oxide levels, which will enhance your blood flow, and has been shown to improve erectile dysfunction. Some studies show modest increases in testosterone, but the primary benefit for men over 40 is improved sexual performance, energy, and vitality. It's best taken early in the day to avoid any potential sleep disruption. Generally considered to be safe, again, but potential side effects may include insomnia, headaches, or digestive issues. So again, monitor for these side effects, and if you experience any of these, adjust the dosages as appropriate. Number 5 is Fenugreek. Fenugreek has been studied for its effects on free testosterone. It appears to inhibit enzymes that convert testosterone into estrogen and DHT. A 2016 randomized controlled trial showed improvements in free testosterone levels and strength outcomes. Other studies demonstrated improvements in libido and sexual performance. Reported increases in free testosterone can be meaningful, especially in resistance-trained men. So this herbal supplement works best for men who are engaged in a vigorous and consistent strength training program, and men with libido concerns, as well as those looking to support their free testosterone levels. It's generally considered to be safe with recommended dosage for most men, but potential side effects to be aware of may include digestive issues, dizziness, and headaches, which is usually remedied by reducing the daily dosage. So here's the summary of the top 5 herbal supplements that support healthy testosterone levels, along with optimal recommended daily dosage ranges. Number 1 is ashwagandha. Look on the label for the KSM66 variety. You can start with 300 milligrams per day and work your way up to 600 milligrams per day. Number 2 is Shilajit. Look for the purified form only. Start with 250 milligrams per day and work your way up to 500 milligrams per day, and again, depending on your tolerance. Number 3 is Tongkat Ali. You can start at 200 milligrams per day and work your way up to 400 milligrams per day. And then Korean Red Ginseng. It's recommended on average to take 1,000 milligrams per day, twice a day though, usually earlier in the day, so the morning and at noontime, to get the full dosage for the day. You don't want to disrupt your sleep by taking it too late in the day. Then there's Fenugreek. Look for the standardized Fenugreek seed extract. You can start with 300 milligrams per day and work up to 600 milligrams per day. And here's the big takeaway. These herbs may support testosterone, especially in men over the age of 40, and science-backed studies have shown this to be true. But results are strongest when the following conditions are at play here. When you're starting with a baseline testosterone level that's already low, your stress is high, and your current sleep quality is poor. So start with the lower range dosages, assess your tolerance, and monitor for side effects. You can make any adjustments as needed, usually reducing the dosage if you're experiencing any of these side effects. These supplements are amplifiers. They are not replacements. If your lifestyle is broken, you have poor lifestyle habits, no herb supplement of any kind will fix that. And by the way, I posted the references to the scientific studies in the description below, so you can take a look at that if you like. So there you have it, the top 5 herbal supplements that have been shown to boost testosterone levels in men. If you receive some value from viewing this video, which I hope you have, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and comment below. And let me know if you've tried any of these supplements that I mentioned here today in this video. So stay tuned for more of my weekly science-backed strategies for men over the age of 40 who want to develop strength, boost energy, and maximize longevity. I'll see you next time, and until then, take care and have a great day.